Welcome back. We are coming back with these live images from the Dabolim Airport in Goa. This is where Deepika Padukone will be leaving from in just a while from now. Already her manager is present at the spot, and now we are learning that Deepika Padukone is also now at the airport. She is accompanied by her husband, and they'll be leaving for Mumbai in just a while from now. Shabir is live with us from the spot. Yes, Shabir.
Well, clearly the idea is to just ensure that media doesn't take any pictures of Deepika Padukone. Look at the kind of arrangement that have been made by her team members. In fact, some 5 to 6 people have accompanied Deepika Padukone. An entire team, at least in 2 cars, have come just to ensure that the media doesn't go anywhere close to Deepika, asking questions, asking some uncomfortable questions. Yes, questions will be asked because she has been summoned by the NCB. So these are the first pictures of Deepika. So these are the first pictures of Ranveer and Deepika, and the reason why you could see people are just trying to block the view of the cameras. There you can see these are the pictures where Deepika and Ranveer are going inside the airport. There is a chartered flight that is waiting for them, and these are the images that one can get it at the Goa airport. And he has gone inside, and there you can see both Deepika and Ranveer. They are heading towards Mumbai, and they will be landing in another 45 to 50 minutes is what we are being told. And she has also informed the NCB authorities that she will be joining the investigations on Saturday. It was expected that Deepika will be appearing before the NCB officials on 25th, but now she has decided that she will be appearing before the NCB authorities on 26th and answering all the questions. And tomorrow it will be others who are part of the WhatsApp chats, and we can try and get some visuals of the visuals of Deepika and Ranveer here at the airport. So clearly we were not allowed anywhere close to Deepika or Ranveer to ask any kind of questions to them regarding the entire issue. In fact, like Deepak was reporting earlier, that Deepika's team was actually contemplating with regard to issuing a statement, but they decided that they will not issue any statements to the media. In fact, the lawyers have suggested that they should directly speak to the NCB officials instead of addressing the media. So clearly there seems to be a strategy in place. There have been back-to-back meetings. Legal team has been informing or holding talks with Deepika and Ranveer regarding this entire issue, how to deal with this, and what she is going to say in that questioning is something which is very, very important. So that is what Siddhant and Tamal have been reporting. Like Kajal said earlier, that what she is going to say to the NCB officials is something from where they will unravel this entire case, because the idea with regard to NCB officials is to try and go to the bottom of this entire entire case as to who was the supplier and who was supplying drugs to several prominent Bollywood personality. That is the only question that the NCB wants to find out, and that is the reason why summons have been issued, because her name cropped up in that chat, and she has been asking people about this. So there are clearly some people in her team or some people related to her, linked with her, who have some kind of idea from where to procure drugs, and that is something that the NCB officials want to know at this point in time. So summoning her is the beginning of the investigation, and from here onwards, based on the answers, based on the kind of information that they managed to extract from her, and they will corroborate the information with all the others who have been summoned, and after that the NCB will continue their investigations. So this is how things will unravel from now. So in another 24 to 48 hours, Deepika will be there before the NCB officials, and she is willing to answer all the questions, is what her legal team has informed the NCB authorities.
2 days. Tomorrow, Deepika Padukone will not be appearing before the Narcotics Control Bureau. She'll be reaching Mumbai in a while from now. These are first images that we are seeing from the Goa airport of Deepika Padukone accompanied by her husband Ranveer Singh, along with other members of her team, including her manager. So about 6 to 7 people, as Shabir said, are accompanying the actor. She will be reaching Mumbai late at night, and then she will have a reprieve of about 24 hours, following which on Saturday she is going to appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau. What we are being told is that there are about 10 to 12 questions which have been framed for Deepika Padukone, all of these related, of course, to the chats that you heard first on Times Now, chats that took place between her and her manager Karishma Prakash in October 2017, chats where they were talking about procurement of mal. All right.